How to fix a game about feeding a black hole is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties window. Now go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this is done, you want to go back to the general tab and try to add -dx11 launch option. You can also try -d3d11 if the first option doesn't work properly. And then you can close out of this window. And the next thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have the redistributables installed. To get the latest version, you should simply search for redist, click on the first link, and then scroll down to this second table here, and make sure to get the 86 and the 64 versions. Download and install both of these. But before you restart your system, you should also make sure that you have the latest graphics card update installed. So if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, you should install NVIDIA app and go to the drivers section, and from here you can choose game ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available update. And then you can proceed to restart your system by clicking on power and restart. And after the restart, you should open up Steam as admin, right click on Steam and run as admin. And then you can simply open up the game, and this should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.